In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to use Jobber Desktop. We'll walk through creating a new client and show you where to find the tools you'll use next so you can stay organized from the first touch. Start by opening Jobber in your web browser. When the dashboard loads, look to the left sidebar for the plus icon. Click it and choose New Client. This opens a form where you'll add everything needed to create a solid client record. Begin in the primary contact details section. If a title is appropriate, select it from the drop-down so names display correctly on quotes and invoices. Enter the first name and last name. If the contact is tied to a company, add or select the company, then review the communication options to indicate how you plan to reach them. Add reliable contact information next. Type in a phone number and an email address the client actively uses. Accuracy here helps with confirmations, reminders, and quick follow-ups later. Scroll to lead information. Use this area to capture helpful context about the opportunity, such as what the client needs or how the request originated. Clear notes here keep your pipeline tidy and actionable. Move down to property address, which is the service location. Type the full address in the address field. If suggestions appear, choose the correct one to make sure mapping and routing work smoothly for your team. Before saving, quickly scan for typos and consistent capitalization. Clean data makes searching and reporting far more accurate. When everything looks good, click Save Client. If you're prompted to confirm, click Create Client to finish. With the client created, use the left sidebar to continue your workflow. Open Schedule to plan visits and assign work. Go to Clients to review or edit the profile you just added. Explore requests and other sections to log new inquiries, keep details in one place, and convert them into quotes or jobs as they progress. That's the essentials of using Jobber Desktop to add a client and navigate your key tools. Follow these steps each time for consistent records, clearer communication, and effortless scheduling.